How to test our blood pressure? Which position are we supposed to test our blood pressure and on which side of our body? That is either on left side or on right side. So commonly, any patient visiting a doctor, the patient will be put on supine position. He will be made to lie on examination bed, that is in supine position. So, and the doctor will be standing on the right side of the patient because this is the most comfortable position for the doctors. So most of the doctors will check the blood pressure in a supine position, that too on right side. But precisely speaking, this is not accurate. Then how to check this blood pressure? So what is this blood pressure? So blood pressure is pressure within the blood vessels. Why do we have this blood pressure? We have 40 trillion cells and all these cells need oxygen as well as the food. And this oxygen and food reaches these cells through the blood and the blood reaches these cells from the heart. Heart will have certain pressure, it pumps with certain pressure which pumps the blood to these cells. So not only to these cells, the blood which reaches the cell has to come back to the heart also. So the pressure created within the heart should be sufficient enough to supply oxygen to the cells and as well as to carry this blood back to the heart. So what is the position? What is the accurate position to get our accurate blood pressure? First thing is supine position. In this position, the whole body, the complete body will be in horizontal position. That is at the level of the heart. Even the lower limbs, upper limbs will be at the level of the heart. So in this position, the blood reaches the heart easily without any force, without any much pressure, the blood reaches the heart. Next in standing position. When we are standing, our leg muscles will be contracted. So the blood reaching the lower limbs will be less. So the pressure on the heart will also be less. Second, in standing position also the blood pressure will be little low. Third thing is in sitting position. So when we are sitting on a chair with the legs hanging, so in this condition, so the lower part of body, second, it will be at a lower position. So one thing. Second thing is the muscles of legs will be completely relaxed. So in this position, the heart has to pump with a little more pressure. So this is the actual blood pressure. So blood pressure, for position of the blood pressure, it should be in sitting position. Then second thing is on which side are we supposed to measure our blood pressure? That is on either on right side or on left side. There is a little bit difference. So difference of less than 10 millimeter of mercury between the right side and the left side. So the heart is on left side. So the vessels, that is the vessels in the left arm, will be closer to the heart, quite closer to the heart compared to the right side. So the pressure in the vessels on the left arm will be almost similar to that of the heart. The best position for testing your blood pressure is sitting position, that is sitting on a chair completely relaxed and testing on the left side of our body. For precise and scientific explanation about the health, subscribe to our channel. Namaste.